If Blender is showing an unsupported graphics card error, or saying your system only supports OpenGL 4.3, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to fix it step by step. This is a very common issue, especially on older laptops, systems with outdated drivers, or computers that are using the wrong GPU. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check Blender, update your graphics drivers, verify OpenGL support, and even use an older Blender version if your hardware doesn't meet the requirement. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Blender installation folder and locate blender.exe. Sometimes users try advanced launch methods or extra workarounds, but in most cases, those won't solve the real problem, so it's better to focus on the hardware and driver side first. If Blender still refuses to open, the next thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. This is one of the most important fixes because OpenGL support depends heavily on the version of your GPU driver. To do that, go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA's driver download page. If you have AMD, use the AMD support page. And if you have Intel graphics, go to Intel's driver download page. Download the latest driver for your exact GPU model, install it, and then restart your computer. After the restart, try launching Blender again. In many cases, that alone fixes the OpenGL error. If the problem continues, the next step is to check whether your GPU actually supports OpenGL 4.3. Search your GPU model online and look up its OpenGL compatibility. Some older graphics cards simply do not meet Blender's minimum requirement, no matter how many times you reinstall the software. If your GPU does support OpenGL 4.3, but Blender still has issues, that usually means the driver or GPU selection needs more attention. Now, if your graphics card does not support OpenGL 4.3, your best option is to install an older Blender release. Go to blender.org, find the older version section, and download a release that matches your hardware. Older Blender versions require lower OpenGL support, so they are often the easiest solution for legacy computers. Install that version and launch it again. This is especially useful if you just need Blender for learning, simple modeling, or basic project work. Another important fix applies to computers with dual graphics. If your PC has both integrated and dedicated graphics, Blender may be trying to open on the weaker GPU instead of the stronger one. In that case, open your system graphics settings and force Blender to use the high-performance GPU. On Windows, you can assign Blender to the dedicated graphics card from the Graphics Preferences menu. On laptops with NVIDIA or AMD switching graphics, you may also need to set Blender in the control panel so it always uses the powerful GPU. Once that is done, restart Blender and check whether the issue is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the unsupported graphics card or OpenGL 4.3 error. To recap, start by checking the Blender executable. Then update your drivers, verify OpenGL support, use an older Blender version if needed, and force Blender onto the dedicated GPU if your computer has one. If this tutorial helped you get Blender running, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.